try hard. What's going on, hood guys? It's Panda PvP here today, and today I'm with Slice and Dice, the Perfect King. And today we will be building our Blaze Grinder because we need dough.
Yeah, we going in again. This is that intrusion. Spending like we got the ends. This is that conclusion. You should bring your friend again. I find that shit amusing. Take a shot, you see it now. You don't. That's the illusion. Yeah, I'm packing clubs. Best believe I'm on my caddy flow. I guess that is apparent. Even your mom and your daddy know that I put on that dope show. Show them just what man's about, and they rooting for the kid. That's because I'm branching out. Gotta keep it moving. Sorry, baby, I don't like to wait. I'm hungry and I'm driven. Can you please get me your license plate? Girl be feeling it, they killing it. I see them dead chicks. Got that money, they stick to you. Yeah, I guess that bread sticks. Nigga got a vision, I don't think you see it well. Over when the fat lady sings. Do you see it there? I am young and I am reckless. For some hung just like a necklace. Go against me and you screw. So Texas. My God, book them shows, the only gigs you got is on your iPod. You are off the mad and you talking about your swag. Only label that's behind you is a motherfucking tag. And I've been grinding steady, so when the timing is ready, don't bring them funny verses, I ain't talking about Mazzetti. I'm reaching for the throne, cause I know that you can't stand me. And a nigga never idle and you looking like Randy. Plan B, nah, this my chance to be in the record books. They say what comes around goes around, tell me how this record looks. Cause once it gets 180, that's the day they gonna pay me. Cause I've been paying these dues and it's been driving me crazy. So let's just make a toast and let's just get a buzz. Saying hi to what will be, saying bye to what we was. And if I'm gonna make it, we'll see. But I can guarantee that you should focus on me. I'm a new son.
Think I can fly when I'm with you. My arms are wide, catching fire as the wind blows. I know that I'm rich enough for pride. I see $1 billion in your eyes. Even if we're strangers till we die.
I seen a lot of shit I shouldn't have, but never forgot it though. Brothers on the corner selling crack like it was not it though. Walk inside my kitchen, baking soda all up on the floor. Police banging on the door while gripping the 44. I was just a youngin', but this type of shit I seen before. Y'all see a white boy, but my daddy a Negro. Half-breed motherfucker grip the mic and heat flow. I just wanna spread love, they want me to bleed slow. I just wanna keep the peace and help people.
And we're here at the crates, and guess who's on band? Breaker's on band. Just kidding, it's Cassie. Yeah, you're bad. Okay, I'm gonna open up crate key. Let's go. Let's go. Is this the right one? Nope. Okay, is this the right one? Nope. Is this the right one? Nope. Okay, what is this? Yeah, it doesn't work. Yeah.
Okay, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode.
Oh, peace out, guys. That was a complete fail. Peace. We're back, guys. Yeah, that was a complete fail last time, but now let's try and rare cookie. Let's go, boys. Let's go. Rank, guys. Come on, you guys want to rank?
Yes.
Too bad I get Kit Knight.
PG.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
And what's hot?
Okay.
It is high. Thank you.
Okay then. Okay, peace out, guys. Again. Peace.